Introducing the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3070 Twin Edge, and this graphics card or a GPU it has a features which are second gen ray tracing cores and third gen tensor cores. It has also white LED lighting which is a Ice Storm 2.0 advanced cooling, and it has a active fan control with freeze fan stop with the metal wrap around backplate, and also it has a Firestorm utility and it is VR ready. This Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3070 Twin Edge has a NVIDIA Ampere architecture, which are the second generation RT cores times 2 throughput and third generation Tensor cores up to times 2 throughput. And the new is SM, which is times 2 FP32 throughput. And the RTX its own experience today's biggest blockbusters like never before, with the visual fidelity or real-time ray tracing and the ultimate performance of AI-powered DLSS RTX it's on. And for the DLSS AI acceleration, it is the Mach FPS Max Quality powered by AI, which is the NVIDIA DLSS is groundbreaking AI rendering that boosts frame rates by 1.5 times or more with uncompromised image quality using the dedicated AI processing tensor cores on GeForce RTX. This gives you the performance headroom to crank up settings and solutions for an incredible visual experience. The AI revolution has arrived to gaming, and this graphics card or eGPU has a white LED lighted logo with metal die-cast backplate. This graphics card or eGPU has a bring down the mercury, which is the advanced cooling is a more refined Ice Storm 2.0 cooling system is purpose-built for wider coverage to keep the GPU cooler and running stronger, with the enhancements in the visible and it what lies underneath, which is the all-new 11 blades fan increase airflow by up to 10% when compared to the previous generation design. A powerful aluminum fin stack array heatsink paired with up to 5 copper heat pipes extra more heat distribute it more efficiently than before. A new and improved heat pipe layout increase direct GPU contact in a more densely packed space. Freeze fan stop automatically enables efficient and quieter cooling by stopping the fans when the GPU is idle, which is reducing wear and tear on the fan system. Active fan control let users have more control over the fans when using the Zotac Gaming Firestorm software, which is adjust fan rotations independently and apply increased airflow only to where when it's needed. And for the specification of this graphics card or a GPU is it has 5888 CUDA cores with video memory of 8 GB and GDDR6. And for the memory bus of this graphics card or a GPU is it has 256 bits with engine clock boost of 1725 MHz, and the memory clock of this is it has 14 Gbps. It has also PCIe Express, which is 4.0 by 16. And for the display outputs of this graphics cards or eGPU is it has 3 display ports with 1.4A up to 7680 by 4320 at 60 Hz. And for the HDMI is 2.1 up to 7680 by 4320 at 60 Hz. With ultra high speed HDMI cable is required to support 8K at 60 fps or 4K at 120 fps. And for the DCP support, which is it has 2.3, and for the multi-display capability on this graphics card or a GPU is it has quad display. This graphics card or a GPU is it has recommended power supply, which is 650 watts, and for the power consumption is 220 watts. And for the power input of this graphics card or a GPU is it has two 8 pins, and it has DirectX 12 Ultimate, and for the OpenGL is it has 4.6, and for the cooling it has iStorm 2.0, and for the slot size of this graphics card or a GPU is it has dual slot, and for the SLI is not supported, and for the length of this graphics card or a GPU is it has 231.9mm by 141.5mm by 41.5mm or 9.1 inch by 5.6 inch by 1.6 inch. And for the accessories of this GPU or a graphics card is it has two dual 6 pins to 8 pins cable. Get amplified with the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 30 series based on the NVIDIA Ampere architecture built with enhanced RT cores and Tensor cores. New streaming multi-processors and high-speed GDDR6 memory. The Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3070 Twin Edge gives rise to amplified gaming with high fidelity. So that's it for the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3070 Twin Edge graphics card. So that's it. Good luck to your PC build and see you in the next video. Thank you.